going to make this, a wooden plant pot. I made this without a lathe. It's a nice rustic project, and I've got some cactus in it. So, let's make it. Starting to get a little bit wobbly, which is good because it took me ages to get to this stage. So I want to see if I can try and crack it off now. Well, here it is. It's starting to look a bit more round. Now I'm just going to keep using the chisel and make it look more like a plant pot. Here it is. Now I just need to take out all the inside bit and use a Y wheel to shape the outside bit and make it a bit more circular. So let's do that. thank you so much for watching the video of me making the plant pot. Next week I will be probably making a guitar pick.